In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily record a video on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. By default, Camera app always starts in a photo mode. To take a photo, we can just tap at that button. However, if you would like to record a video, you need to switch to video mode. To do that, all you have to do is just tap right here where it says video. After that, to record a video, just tap at that button. Now, as you can see, video is being recorded. And then, to finish recording a video, tap at that button again. You can easily find the video you have recorded if you tap right there. And also, if you close Camera app, you will be able to find all your photos and videos in the Photos app. Just open it up. Then go to Library, and that's where we can easily find our recent photos and videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.